Hello everyone! Welcome to another video of the Engineer's Insights. Sa lahat pala ng first time sa channel ko, ako nga pala si Engineer J. Isa po akong civil engineer at currently po akong nagtuturo as engineering professor. In today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo on how I manage my day as engineering online class instructor. We know that it has been 5 months na nang nagsimula ang quarantine dito sa Davao. At since then, work from home pa rin ang setup namin kung saan ako nagtuturo. Medyo malaking adjustment siya for me, lalo nang sanay tayong pumunta ng school at mag-conduct ng face-to-face classes. But since ito na yung pangatlong term sa nag-online class kami, medyo may mga adjustment na akong ginagawa. Kaya gusto kong i-share sa inyo on how I manage my work from home setup and how I handle my online classes. Lalo ng engineering students ang aking mga tinuturuan. Sa lahat po ng mga online instructors at mga online students, I hope na may mga tips kayong makukuha. Please stay with me until the end of this video, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Well, alam naman natin na isa sa mga advantage ng work from home setup is pwede kang gumising kahit anong oras, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan makipagsiksikan sa jeep para lang pumasok sa school. Usually nga gumigising ako ng 9 in the morning o depende kung anong oras ako natutulog the night before. Maaga lang akong gumising pag we have faculty meeting o may mga scheduled consultation ako with my students. But the first thing I do in the morning pag gising ko is I always check my email. I always check it for notifications kung may mga questions ba ang aking mga students o may mga announcement ba from my heads or from my school. And I always make sure na kailangan kong replyan agad ang mga queries para hindi ko siya makalimutan. And also, I need to respond sa health monitoring email na everyday siya sinisend sa amin ng clinic to know kung may sakit ba kami or to monitor our health. I guess this is their way of preventing COVID-19 na kumalat sa workplace. After checking my email, that's the time that I do personal business. I always make sure na nakaligo na ako at nakapag-breakfast na ako before I go to my work area. Iniiwasan kong mag-work inside my room kasi alam niyo na temptation ang bed para makatulog. I'll tell you, usually, every day, nag-online consultation ako with my students. Gumagamit ako ng various platforms for online consultation since alam naman natin na ang one of the drawbacks ng online class ay communication, di ba? So, ginagamit ko lahat ng possible platforms to communicate with my students. Actually, mayroon nga kaming Facebook group, mayroon din kaming group sa MS Teams, at mayroon din silang Outlook account na ginagamit nila to ask me questions. At saka once a week, I conduct a synchronous discussion using either Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. And I always make sure na dapat naka-record ang discussion para ma-access siya ng mga students na hindi naka-attend during the session. And during the live sessions, it is actually more on consultation ang nangyayari. I ask them kung meron ba silang hindi naiintindihan o meron ba silang problema regarding sa lessons or regarding sa topic. Ang ginagawa ko kasi to deliver the material is through pre-recorded video. This is effective for me kasi hindi lahat ay may access sa internet all the time at hindi makaka-attend during the synchronous discussion. This is good din kasi most of my subject ay engineering subjects which involve problem solvings at long solutions. Since I have 4 courses this term, so 4 din na video ang kailangan kong gawin. Medyo mahirap para sa akin and it is quite challenging for me kung paano ko i-deliver ang lecture materials dahil nga puro major ang mga subjects ko ngayon. Luckily, sa aming school, meron kaming tinatawag na learning management system pangalan ay Blackboard, wherein doon kami nag-a-upload ng aming lecture materials at mga assessments. Ginagamit din namin ang Blackboard to monitor the progress of our students and to post announcement as well. Marami kaming pwedeng gawin sa Blackboard, such as checking their submissions and a lot more. Regarding naman sa paggawa ng lecture materials, ang ginagamit ko ay screen recording application o Panopto to record myself habang nagsosolve ako ng engineering problems. Actually, may mga free screen recording software na pwede nating ma-download sa internet. The advantage kasi ng recorded ang lecture is that pwede nilang i-replay ang part kung saan sila nahihirapan. Ang ginagamit kong pang-record ng video ay my laptop na pwede siya gamitin na tablet at the same time, which is very useful for me para mag-solve ng problems. Usually, it takes me 2 to 3 hours to record just 1 hour of video since I need to prepare PowerPoint presentation pa at mga sample problems. At saka usually, nakakadalawa or 3 take ako sa pag-record. After that, I do minor editing sa videos using any video editor software or I can also use Panopto para i-trim ang mga unnecessary clips. At I also need to shorten kasi the video para madali siyang i-upload at para hindi boring siya sa part ng students. After preparing videos, ina-upload ko siya through Blackboard Learning Management System together with my PowerPoint presentations at lahat ng mga assessments. Nag-a-attach din ako ng mga resources such as YouTube videos or mga ebooks. Para sa aking mga reading materials, I use ebooks. And luckily kasi, we have access sa mga online libraries such as Wiley Plus, Vital Source, and Cengage kung saan ko kinukuha ang aking mga reading materials at mga assessments. Speaking of assessments, part of my day is I always check the submission of my students. It is important to always give feedback sa kanilang mga submissions and to make sure kung naiintindihan ba nila ang lessons. Of course, pagkatapos ng preparation at consultations, I never forget to take a rest. Usually, what I do during my rest is I go outside sa bahay, I take a quick walk lang, just to smell some fresh air. If you have enough rest, you will be able to work effectively. I usually end my day by watching online courses since we are required to finish online courses as part of our professional development. Nagtitake ako ng mga online courses sa LinkedIn at Coursera, which is good for me kasi kahit nasa bahay lang ako, I have to make sure na meron pa rin ako mga natutunan. Well, this has been my routine every day since nag-start ang quarantine. Medyo nakakapagod at nakakabagot ang work from home setup. But anyways, wala tayong magagawa but to follow since this is for the safety of the teachers and for the students naman din. This pandemic brings me with so much realization. It is a reminder that we need to upgrade our educational system here in our country. We need to make sure or we need to make use of all available technology para may pagpapatuloy ang pagbibigay ng education sa lahat ng ating mga students. Kahit na may naharap tayong difficulty sa buhay at pandemya. And that ends my video. I hope guys na marami kayong mga natutunan. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Again, thank you guys for watching and see you in my next videos.